How to export and save a video on CapCut app. Hello guys, so first thing you have to do, go to CapCut. As you can see, this is the home page. Now I'm gonna choose a video. For example, let's say that you just finished editing this video and you want to export it and save it to your device. Or what you have to do is, first thing, go to the quality and change it as you want. You have three options, and change the frame rate. And after you finish, go to the top here and click on this little icon and your video will be started exporting. It's so easy, as you can see. And if this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.